Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find SeatGeek promo codes in 2025. So in order to find the SeatGeek promo codes, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your web browser and search for SeatGeek promo codes 2025. Now once you type this query in your search bar, you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you bunch of different codes. Like this website is giving you $10 worth of coupon code, whereas this one is giving you 35% off. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab, and then you need to just hop on to them one by one. For the sake of this video, I have opened two different websites in front of you so that you could know the process. Now you just have to simply come to the websites one by one. Like I'm currently on couponfollow.com, where you will see a bunch of different SeatGeek coupon codes. So you just have to simply click on the coupon code option, and then it will show you the coupon code which you can copy from here. Afterwards, you need to go to SeatGeek.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you just have to simply select your favorite purchase ticket, and at the time of checkout you need to just use this promo code and you are done. Now before redeeming this coupon code, or before trying to redeem this coupon code, make sure that you read the offer details. If for any reason the code isn't working for you, you can try the second website that we just opened, where you can get 35% off, and as you can see that 5 people have already used it. So you can just click on the show code option, and again before redeeming the coupon code, make sure that you read the instructions over here. It will help you to redeem the coupon code with full potential. So you just have to copy this code from here, then go to SeatGeek, and at the time of checkout you need to use the codes, and this way you can find promo codes for SeatGeek in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.